Now that you've started sketching, we're nearly ready to begin our first project, the barbecue stool, or the small stool, depending on what you want to build. But before we do that, we need to make a plan. And this is all part of the IB's conception of the design cycle, what we go through when we look at a product and figure out how we're going to make it, and then figure out how well we did. The design cycle from the IB's perspective starts with inquiring and analyzing. And usually we look at the need for the product, we research it, and then design a brief. In our case, all of that piece has been done in the assignment because the job is to make a bar stool or a small stool. That is the design brief. Now you get to develop a design specification. You get to decide if you want a tall brief or, a tall stool or a small stool, and then come up with ideas for how you want it to look. If you'd like to have the seat look different, if you want the legs to be different, if you want the support to be slightly different, you get to decide some of the adjustments to this design. Then you will present that design to me, the inspector, and I will approve your plan or ask for modifications. As part of that plan, you will have developed drawings and diagrams and a list of pieces and parts that you're going to need. That will be part of the plan. So all three of these stages in the design cycle from the IB's perspective, we're going to lump together as in creating a plan. And we may loop through that sequence several times, but that's going to be the plan. Then you'll have some technical skills you need to work with Darby on, and then you're going to follow the plan to make the solution. Once we're done, we will lump all of the evaluation piece together into one step. So our design cycle for this particular project is quite abbreviated, but I wanted to show you the full circle that we're looking from and that you're going to be working toward as you move into IB design technology if you choose to go further. This is our design cycle.